to teach you reproduction in plants. Okay. Basically, what do you mean by reproduction? The meaning of reproduction, as I have told it before also. See, it has a, and production means to produce new living organism. Okay. So you have to produce the living organism which is already existing, and then its lifespan will be over. Lifespan means organism will take birth, it will over, species will be over, that organism is finished, extinct. But how can it continue its species? It can continue its species by the method of reproduction, that it has to be. One day parents will be no more, but we will be existing. Similarly, we will also complete our lifespan, then we have to also include new organism by reproduction. Okay. Two types. What are the two types of reproduction? In sexual reproduction, there are two parents to form offspring. To form offspring means new organism. Similarly, in asexual reproduction, what happens? Two parents are not. Number two, binary fission. Number three, fragmentation. Number four, spore formation. Now I will ask you some questions. What do you mean by bird? B-U-D bird, not B-I-R-D bird. Okay, bird. What do you mean by bird? Raise your hand. What is the meaning of bird? B-U-D bird. Raise your hand. Don't get scared. Okay? Because you also raise your hand. Come on. You know it. Okay? Whether taking part or participation is the most important. Yes. Very good.
Bird like projection coming out from the east is called bird.
Bird can also be called as a projection, like stem. New stem or move. They can move. Sometimes they are stagnant. They cannot move. They are at one place only. But they move, and they are not plants. They are a type of creatures, or you can say animals, under the category of Animalia polyphera. They take in the water, they filter the water and give out the water. In the water filtration process, if they get some food like small fishes or small eggs of fishes, they will eat that. These are the tentacles of the hydra. This can be okay. They are found in the sea coral. Yes.
Are they found in water ponds?
They are found in only sea water, salty water. So what happens? It is an individual organism. It has its lifespan. Now it will grow one new organism by the process of asexual reproduction by forming a bird. So it will form a bird. Now what will happen? This bird will grow and form mature. When it is mature, it will be separated by the mother hydra organism, and then it will new hydra organism.
So it
Yes.
is not harmful. We can touch with our hands.
They can be harmful. There are various varieties. Some can be harmful, but maximum of them are not harmful. Sea divers are there. They dive in the sea with yeast. Have you heard about yeast? It is a microscopic organism. Yeast is a microscopic organism. We cannot see it with our naked eyes, but they are forming multi oxygen. It can make its own food. Just it needs the food. Food means glucose, sugar or glucose. Okay. Yeast, when they are like this small organisms, they will form small. One is spore formation. Spore formation. So let's see next type. Next type is binary. Now this new organism will develop, but the old organism may die. From one is only produced. In budding, the mother organism is not a new individual. It is the old individual, mature individual, mother. In budding, the mother is present, but here the mother is. What happen in budding? They will form new buds. What will happen in fragmentation? If they are cut by mistakenly, then they will form new organism. But here they are not also here. The controlling center of the organism will break into two. Now the body will also break into two and form two separate organisms. Spirovera. This example is Spirovera. What is a Spirovera? It is a algae. It is a algae means they are microscopic organisms, bodies, lake, pond or estuaries, freshwater bodies. And whenever you see any pond or lake, you see there are some green color floating plants, or like something green is there on the surface of water. What is that actually? That is algae. You can find red algae called diatoms, seeds. They are called diatoms, they are red algae. But this is a green algae named Spirovera. What is special about Spirovera is they are like immortal. They are forever. They are like that. Because Spirovera is a single cellular multiplicate to form new life form. Okay, new life being or offspring. For example, in fungi, maximum fungi is reproduced by spore formation. I will take Rhizopus. There are many types of fungus like Aspergillus, Penicillium, Rhizopus. Rhizopus, they form crowns, they form branches, and it needs moisture, it needs any food substrate, any food particle. Like for example, if I keep a piece of bread in open air, after some time you will see that the bread is having some bread mold, black color fungus growing on the bread. The bread is made up of glucose, na? It has content of glucose. That is why. And that substrate it will take, and moisture from the air it will take, and fungus will grow on the job is to secrete enzymes, digest the food around it, that is the glucose, and then absorb the digested food, that is the bread. Okay. We cannot eat bread because not because of fungus, but because of the fungus excrete because of those enzymes. This sporangium, when it will blow small circular objects called spores. And the spores, wherever it will fall, if that particular place contains glucose substrate or any food particle, like a fruit, a bread or any edible thing, and